Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to trade on MetaTrader 5. Now, trading on MetaTrader 5 or MT5 involves several steps, including opening an account, installing the platform, analyzing marketplaces trade, and managing your position, all that. So here's a step-by-step guide on how you can do it. First of all, create an account. So in my case, I have already created my account, and then open up or log in into your MetaTrader account. Once you're logged in, it's going to take you to the home page. This is how the interface is going to look like. Once you've opened the account, download the MetaTrader 5 platform from the broker's website or the official MetaQuest website. Follow the instructions provided by the broker or the meta codes itself. After that, log in into your account, and then you can just familiarize yourself with the MetaTrader MT5 platform interface, including charting tools, market watch, navigators, and terminal windows. You can also customize the layout and settings according to your preference as well. Now, once you've identified the trading opportunities, you can place a trade using a new order window. Select the financial instrument you want to trade, specify the trade volume, set your desired entry price, stop loss, and take profit levels. Choose the type of order you wish to. After placing the trade, monitor is processed in the terminal window, and you can track open position, pending orders, about balance, and equities, margins, and other relevant information in real time. So when you go and tap the trade icon from the bottom of your screen, and here you'll be able to see this sort of interface. Go and tap the upward arrow icon from the top and then go to orders. As you do that, you'll be able to see the trading platform where you can go and select the asset that you wish to trade with. And by following the steps and practicing disciplined trading, you can effectively trade on MetaTrader 5 and work towards achieving your financial goals. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.